See, exercise, fill in the blanks with a or an. A and an are indefinite articles. So, indefinite articles we have to use. Octopus is there, O sound. So, an octopus is a sea animal. A, because S is a consonant sound here, C, sound. So, a sea animal, an octopus is a sea animal. It has a soft body and 8 tentacles. So, a soft body. So, before vowel sound we use an. See, before vowel sound we use an. See, Vikas has a fish bowl at his home. He keeps a starfish in it. Again, a, because consonant sound. Karina saw a little fish in an aquarium. Aquarium. No, there is a, but sound is a, no, that's why we use an. Aquarium, a sound. So the the first page has pictures of a unicorn, not an unicorn, because unicorn, the sound is similar, like similar to the universe, the same sound. Y sound comes here, so a unicorn, not U sound, Y sound, so A is used. U is vowel, but sound is consonant sound, that is why A is used. Very careful while filling it. And an owl. There is also the painting of an elephant, very clear, is here vowel sound, an is used, elephant walking in a forest. He has a book with lots of colorful pictures in it. Okay, tick the correct options to complete the sentences. The sun or sun, because unique objects, see in this, the things that are unique, the sun, the earth, so we have to use the sun. The sun, don't give more stress to the, read it as the sun is shining brightly, not the sun is shining brightly. So don't give stress to the sun is shining brightly. The girl I met yesterday sang beautifully, because the is used because I met yesterday. Already I met him yesterday. Sang beautifully. The girl. The Titanic hit an iceberg and sank. The Titanic, name of a ship. Staple or the staple. The staple diet in West Bengal is again the fish curry or fish curry, okay, not the fish curry. Okay, next, the German player could not talk in French, because it's a language. For language we cannot use the, you know that, the German is people here, not language. German player could not talk in French. The food that you served was very good. The food that you served was very good. Here gold we cannot use for for gold, silver, for those things. It's an expensive metal. Kasim is the most, superlative degree here. Kasim is the most popular student. So fill in a and the. So definite and indefinite articles both can be used here. Sunday is the last day of the week. Sunday is the last day of the week. The earth is the third largest planet. The sun and the moon are natural objects in the sky. See, celestial bodies, so we use the. Would you like to go for a walk or sit with us? See, A. The red fort is the strongest fort I have ever seen. Again, the lotus temple is also in the same city. The cow is white but the owl is black. Means generally it represents the group of, not particularly, see we use it represents the class See, the dog we used in the same way. The cow is white, but the owl is black. India is a peninsula and Greenland is an island because island vowel sound. Can you wait here for an hour? No, H is silence. So vowel sound. So an is used. Or would you like to go for a movie? Clearly. Kanak studied in a school, then went to a university for her higher education. So not an university, but when we repeat this sentence, this word in the next sentence, the can be used here, a university. Have you ever seen the Eiffel Tower? So the next page, insert articles or make corrections wherever necessary and rewrite the sentences. He lives in Chandni Chowk near the Red Fort. Near the Red Fort. The should be used here. It waits for trainer till he finishes his work. It waits for the trainer. The should be used here. Right in this sentence. Dog is faithful animal. No, the dog. The should be used here in the beginning of the sentence. The dog is a faithful animal. A faithful animal. She gave me useful books. She gave me a useful book because it's a single book. So, noun phrase it is. Sun gives us heat and the light. So, sun, we have to use the sun. The sun. The sun gives us heat and light. I am an honest boy, not an. Always speak the truth. Not speak truth, always speak the truth. An orange you ate was ripe. The orange you ate was ripe. Not an because already you know that what it is. So you ate was ripe. So all if listeners knows. So the should be used. A Nile is the longest river. Wrong. The Nile, it's the name of the river. The Nile is the longest. So again superlative degree, the longest river. Her parents come in auto rickshaw. Her parents come in an auto rickshaw. An. So vowel sound we use an. So thank you. The exercise part is over. Thank you.